again. So in this mini sentence tutorial, I suppose, I wanted to introduce you to a little sentence you can create that's very versatile, namely how to say I have in Finnish. So I have in Finnish would be minulla on. Minulla on. Minulla on. I have. So minä is yourself, and then the LLA at the end of minulla would signify that something is in your possession, it's yours, it belongs to you, and on is a form of the olla verb, to be. So minulla on is I have, I possess, I have. So in kirjakieli, it's as I said, minulla on. In puhekieli, so if you're out and about talking to people, your friends and people on the street, you'll probably more likely hear the puhekieli version, which would be mulla on. Mulla on, which means the exact same thing. I have. Minulla on and mulla on, same thing. Exact same meaning. You use it in the exact same way. It's just whether it's kirjakieli or puhekieli. Mulla on, you'll probably hear more often if you're not in a classroom or, reading something. But it's good to know both, and they work in the exact same way, so use it, with your preference. But you'll sound more natural if you use mulla on in your day-to-day talking. So after this, you can, kind of stick any word, noun after it that, same as you would in English, you basically use it in the same way. So if you want to say like, I have a dog, mulla on koira. You just put it in the basic form. You can Google Translate, write dog, it'll come up, hopefully, it'll come up with koira, and then you just stick it to the end and say mulla on koira. So then you can substitute koira with just about anything. Mulla on auto, I have a car. Mulla on lapsi, I have a child. Mulla on kynä, I have a pen. Mulla on t-paita, I have a t-shirt. Mulla on kamera, I have a camera. So basically, I have, minulla on, mulla on. You just pick any kind of noun that you own or possess or want to say that you have, and you just put it at the end in its basic format. So it's actually pretty easy to create very basic sentences out of this. So yeah, you just say minulla on kissa, I have a cat. Minulla on tietokone, I have a computer. So in this way, you can really easily create little sentences surrounding the word I have. Minulla on, mulla on. So you can practice this in the comments below. And thank you for watching, and I guess that just about concludes this video, so until next time.